Have you ever stumbled upon something that looks like a hand reaching out from the ground? That's dead man's fingers, or Xylaria polymorpha. This fascinating fungus grows in clusters, resembling a macabre hand, and can reach up to 8 centimeters tall. When it's young, it's a pale gray with a fluffy white tip, but it darkens over time, turning black or blue. Found at the base of dead trees, it thrives on decaying wood, playing a crucial role in recycling nutrients back into the soil. But beware, this eerie fungus isn't edible. It contains potent toxins that can be deadly. Nature sure has a way of blending beauty with danger.